was a bad idea earlier. He thought it'd be fun. Oh, he almost went out for that water. You see that? He's like, she give me the finger. She's the one putting you in, not me. Have to be live.
See how that seasoning gets to me. I don't know why.
I thought they'd make noise, and they made no noise.
No, somebody asked, are they going to make noise like a lobster? I said no. But they do know that they're going to die.
When they hit the water?
Yep.
The one that was running towards the water? Did you hear him?
Did he fall in?
No, he did not go in.
I'm not going to save one.
Quit biting me! Here, put that down.
Come on, Dave.
Making it harder than it is. One more, two more, three
Here
more.
we are, 30 pounds in the pot.
Nobody going home with Daddy today.
That one's dead.
When should we throw the shrimp in?
Not yet.
Alright, I'm gonna set it right here. Set it here.
Yeah.
Get another one of those trays, couple trays.
Clean that ice chest out. We're going to use it to dump this. And I need guys because I can't pull this
So
out.
we're gonna dump this into the